Welcome to the today's session on Visual J Forex. Visual J Forex is a automated trading strategy tool by the Dukascope Bank SA. It has got the drag and drop feature so that anybody, those even who don't know the programming and programming languages, they can also develop their own strategy by using these features, and it is very easy to use. You just need a one day to get familiar with all of its functions. But to develop a profitable strategy, obviously you will need to spend some more time. And after you develop a profitable strategy, you should test run it for a period of 5 to 10 years. Then only use it in your live account. Today I will show you the use of pivot point with the support levels. So either we can go for this. So JPY, and I'm going to use the pivot points, and the level is monthly, so period is monthly. You can change that in the advanced tab. You will find the period there, make it 1 month. Okay, and these are the monthly support and resistance level. Candlestick period is 4 hours, so each candle is of 4 hours. So when bullish candle gets formed above the support level, near the support level, that time strategy should execute a buy trade. And if red candle like this gets formed near the resistance level, that time strategy should execute a sell trade. And stop loss will be this for the sell trade, and for the buy trade, candle low will be the stop loss. So today I am going to show a strategy for the buy. So like this, these conditions I am going to use. Like here, candle has closed support, stop loss will be this. So in the first going into the profit, that instrument bearish candle, and we made first attempt. Then second attempt, again it has closed above the pivot point, and then stop loss will be candle low. So here strategy should execute another trade, and here we could have got profit. So some trades will go in loss, some in profit, but we will keep the ratio at such a level so that in a world we should be in profit. So this will be the criteria for the buy side. So let's develop. So pivot point, you will find it in the other section in the indicator tab. So here it is, and then change the instrument to USD/JPY. You can use any instrument, as USD/JPY is the most liquid instrument. That's why I always prefer the USD/JPY and Euro. Then change period to 4 hours. Shift will be 0, and here in the period section, okay, I will show you how it looks like at first sight. Then here change it to monthly. So it will show us the monthly levels of support and resistance. Then central point, and then all these. Now start with the on candle. In most used, we need a E block. if block to define the candle period. So that strategy will check the conditions after the closing of each 4-hourly candle. On candle, first define the position, all positions. Should be less than 1. In the second if block, on candle, last bid candle, and then candle period. Here, change it to 4 hours. Then connect it with the pivot block. So, first 2 if blocks. Then pivot point block, and then you will need the historical candles block. Click on component, click on info and get historical candle. Change instrument to USD/JPY. Change shift to 1. So it will consider the last candle, previous candle, and you can name it as a previous candle. Now we need, so let me consider the using, we can go for the multiple action block instead of if block, and then we will define the all support points and pivot point. So here criteria is candle should be green. So first we will define that. Click on auto created variable. Click here. So for this we need candle close greater than candle open. Then candle should have touched the pivot point. So strategy should execute trade only near the pivot point or near the support level. So for that we need second if block. So candle low should be below. We can define that showing candle low should have passed below the pivot point. So central point. Then candle close should be above the pivot point. So previous candle close should be above. And then strategy should execute a buy trade. So open at market, change the setting to price, and change USD JPY. Slippage, and then stop loss will be candle low and take profit we will calculate. So we need calculation blocks for that. 3 calculation blocks are required. Use the field OK. Then first parameter will be our. Now here define the output value. So we will define it as the current position. Save it. Okay, now click on current position and we need open price. And open price. Here we will minus the candle low, which is our stop loss. So candle low, previous candle. This is our stop loss. Start value 0 and save it. In the setting, change subtraction. Okay, and then take the stop loss. Three. So 4 hourly I am going for a 3 and then add here a take profit. Start value 0 and save it. In the setting we need a multiply calculation type. So now variable into open price. So click on current position again and then take the open price and then add the take profit. And take profit distance. Save it. Change the setting to now use the set take profit. Here is the block in the trading section. In it, change it to price. Okay, and position is our current position. Take profit distance will be our new take profit. So this way our strategy is ready. So just today I have shown the example of central point support level also. So save the strategy. Bullish candle at sub pivot point. Then export it. Save. Next step is to import it in the bullish candle at pivot point and then okay, compilation successful and test it. We will test it instrument, change the instrument to TJPY and previous 3 months. Then start. 4 hours. Then think yeah. And then candle close. Okay, then export it. Save. It has executed one trade and which has closed in 53 pips, 43 pips loss because candle low is our stop loss. Now let us start test run the new version. USD JPY and then previous 6 months as 4 hourly, so run. And obviously and that is by using profit. The characteristics of characteristic